Welcome to Jarmasala. Today we're going to be showing you how to make roasted rainbow carrots using our Cajun masala.
So I have some rainbow carrots, and then I'm going to use our Cajun masala, which is right here, and I'm going to use 1 teaspoon, and you add the spice to your taste. So if you want more of the little heat, like the Cajun spices tend to be a little spicy, just a little bit more. And then I'm going to add some salt. And then I'm going to add some olive oil. And I'm just going to mix all the spices. So carrots are coated with the Cajun masala, salt, and some olive oil. And one of my favorite spices is the Cajun masala because I like a little spicy food. And the Cajun masala, you can use it on any type of dish. It has tons of flavor. And I'm going to put this in the oven at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. So it's been 30 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and take out our carrots. When I bake or roast my veggies, I like the little crunch. I don't want it to get soggy. So if you can cook this up to 40 minutes at 400 degrees, but I cooked it for 30 minutes. So rainbow carrots seasoned with Cajun masala, salt, and some olive oil. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. And if you'd like to order my spice kits, you can visit www.jarmasala.com or send me a message on Instagram.